So we got us some Dominoes.
Sad. Dominoes. We got cheesy bread.
And we also got this. We got Oreo brownie. Yeah,
I like honey buns on occasion.
and that's with peanut butter on it.
Mind you, we didn't eat anything today. So,
I did.
I didn't eat anything today. We had matcha. Terrible experience. Oh, yeah, that's busted. Yeah, I like pepperoni. I don't like everybody's cheese pizza. I thought the black girl was going to be working there, so I was going to spark up a conversation. No, she's not. Oh.
Okay.
Thought we were going to distinguish.
Do we look?
You don't be doing that?
No.
I'm sorry, I don't like too much fruits actually. Oh, that's smart. Oh, I didn't peep what you were. God, damn, this shit got some curvature.
Why is it curved up?
This shit just curved up on its own. I'm so sorry, bro. This is really hot.
It's just me. So, how's a couple of days of college going for you? Yeah.
Honestly, it's pretty dope. Classes aren't too bad. Even though I filled up my schedule, making it work so far. The people aren't too bad either. I haven't met anybody like terrible.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, all in all, it's pretty dope. What about you? How's your college experience so far?
Very good. Made a couple of friends. I hate some of my teachers though. My engineering teacher, specifically,
that brother.
he sent 6 syllabuses so far. Then there's a list of books you have to buy. And he had it on there. I get the book, like $90. We get to class, he puts a new syllabus in saying we don't need the book no more.
Wasting $90.
And then he sends another email saying, oh, I sent the wrong syllabus, we do need the book. But then he sent it for free. So I just bought it for nothing because he sent it for free.
Not even gonna reimburse you. I think I dislike one of my intro classes because it's just a reread of the slides. So and
yeah.
I just leave 15 minutes early so I don't gotta sit through the end. Even the activities here are pretty dope.
I like playing pool.
Mm-hmm. We were gonna do mini golf, but it led to a homeless shelter. So
like they had it on the actual like page for activities at U, and it wasn't even here, it was somewhere else.
at a homeless shelter.
Yeah.
Pool is pretty dope. We're getting better at it. The food here, like Devil's Den,
I like Devil's Den.
I rock with it. It's expensive.
Yeah, it's $20 for I got Chipotle bowl. It's barely full, and then there's a mofongo like up the mountain near campus. 20, it's same price, $20, and I can barely close the lid. And that was plus a drink.
I bought a meal plan because I got it discounted. I mean, the food at Hilltop's good. But I hear that. Damn, I hear that. You can't bring, bro.
Leave it alone, because I think it's a BK one. Leave it alone, Kevon. Leave it alone.
That shit about to touch my side. It just touched my side.
It didn't touch it. It didn't.
I
hammer.
just saw it put his little thing.
It did it.
Alright, it just touched
Whistle.
It just touched my fucking pepper. Bro, can't we just pull up in somewhere and eat it in there?
Apparently, if you whistle, they leave.
Yeah. Hey. What was I about to say?
You don't want ranch?
That was from the cheesy bread.
Oh.
What the fuck? It touched this one.
It didn't touch anything. It landed on this. It didn't land on anything.
It landed on that one, bro. Yeah, Hilltop's cool, but you can't bring your own Tupperware. And one of my friends got caught for it.
Really? Ooh.
James. They just tell you don't bring your own Tupperware the first time. I don't know what happened the second time.
So you can for
Memorial.
Memorial. It ain't that deep.
Yes, it is.
Unless you're allergic to bees, I don't want to see you doing this.
Maybe I am allergic.
You're not.
You don't know what I'm allergic to.
Yes, I do. Anyway, they don't let it at Memorial.
Burrito here is a plus.
Hmm?
The burritos here is a.
Yeah, what's...
I dislike bees. I don't feel like I mentioned this yet.
I know you do. You don't have to mention it.
You can fucking hear it in my voice. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're seeing Clone Gray tomorrow.
Yep.
Then we're going to Big E soon.
But we're going to our old high school.
Mm-hmm. Mind you, we graduated June.
10 years ago.
I dropped my water bottle.
I know.
This was when I was by myself the other day, and I put my bag on, but this
You
was
bought
my
that
bag.
like 2 weeks ago. 3 months. No, you didn't buy
No,
the
it was
first
2
week.
weeks ago. Yeah. Watch my purchases more than I do.
It's just one loaf.
Yeah. Boom, backlash. Jesus. It's really hot. Where's my ranch?
Inside.
Nigga, whistle. What are you doing? Whistle. Bro. Bro.
Oh my god.
No bullshit. No bullshit it got in. No
It
bullshit.
didn't get in.
Bro, I promise you that shit just came out the box. Still gonna eat it. Baby,
Oh! That's great.
looking to make some more money. I'm bored. Everything's so fucking expensive, bro.
Let's see.
It's not terrible.
So how exactly do you...
It's like a full part.
What is this house?
All right.
Hell no.
Hell no, what? You don't like ranch?
With cheese?
Yeah.
No.
You just be eating that. You don't eat it.
Huh?
I don't know. What are you supposed to eat this with? Marinara sauce?
By itself. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hell no. Good boy.
I'm not calling here. What's the opposite of whistle?
Inhalation, like inhaling air.
It's good.
Yeah. Why can I not whistle? Are you about to walk? Are you about to walk with this? To
Walk with
class?
what?
With this stuff? To class?
No.
You should have brought stuff with. So once I see that bee sitting down, I'm killing. Oh wait, no, there's a bee shortage. Actually, I can't do that. Wow.
That's with me.
Sport. Okay. Are these blocks?
I think it's the essence of a banana in there. Not bad.
That's okay.
You can grab it then.
Apple brownie.
I mean, it don't taste like Oreo in any way.
No. Pretty mid.
Is it though?
Hmm?
I mean, let me ask the audience. What are you gonna do with the box?
What are we gonna do with the box? What?
You paid.
I did pay. We were trying to both pay, but my car was closer, but she pushed my hand closer, so I guess I paid.
It might not, because we were both like next to each other.
Yeah, unless they did a double transaction, so they split the cost in half and gave.
No, I didn't. Like
Okay.
usually when I pay, once I pay, it takes me off the page.
Yeah, so I 100% paid.
I dumped out the ice.
I have not checked my bank account yet. I mean, I'm not poor, but I don't get
I don't
notifications
know about that.
it.
Though.
I don't. Only one of us has a job here.
Only one of us got the program.
Me. Okay.
Oh, funny yourself.
Yeah. I think she's funny as shit, right?
Or no, you. Is that a yellow jacket? No, it can't be. No, it's not a yellow jacket.
Yellow jacket mention?
Yellow jacket, don't you? Jackie.
Yeah, bro, this food's pretty good.
Next time we get a small.
Yeah. Medium was a lot. It was fun.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind carrying it.
Where are you gonna put it though?
Where do you think I'm gonna go while you're in class?
I don't know. I don't know what you do.
Nothing. Well, actually, sometimes we hanging out, James. Like while you're in class, I'll be going over to the hilltop get food. But we already ate, so I'm probably just gonna sit outside. It's a nice day, so.
You're gonna see that guy. Wait, I'll do it later.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.